So just finished soldering on the wires into the pins into this little 4-pin connector for the PA board to plug into the transmitter board. Right. Okay, so this is where that little connector plugs in. I think I need to just pivot this out a little bit. It's just to show that there needs to be a little bit more work on this. Doing that plugs in. There we go. Next bit is this blob of solder needs to be cleared up, and this wire soldered back on. Yeah, there we go. That will be the next bit. I'll just leave this like this neatly for now. Okie dokie. Yeah, thank you. Cheers.